Hey everyone, this is our sprint planning meeting for the product marketing group for digital experience for September 27th. I'm going to share my screen and start out with Tina, and we'll get things rolling.
Thanks. I just came back from some time off, so I'm probably going to spend the rest of today catching up on my to-dos and emails. I don't know if I'm seeing this thing. Yeah, so I reorganized this board. If you refresh based on priorities, what I think are priorities. So correct me if I'm wrong, feels I'm still catching up. So I think I'm going to get my head immediately into the security and compliance lightning strike. That's paired with also looking at our solutions child page templates to see if those need any improvements. Since we're going to do a security and compliance landing page, we might as well do those updates at the same time if there are any needed. I think I need to get my head back into the two events that are coming up, AWS and KubeCon, just to answer any or address any missing assets there and review the designs. And then the last two issues on my board there are just open issues to capture feedback from items that we previously released. The solutions landing page, which was released last week, looks great. Matteo, I'm very happy with it. And the features landing page, which has been released for a couple of weeks now. So I'll take a look at all the feedback that came in and make associated issues with those. That's it for me. Thanks everyone who covered for me. Nathan's next.
Thanks, Tina. Yeah, this iteration, for some reason, not all showing up, but I'm going to read off my board. I think maybe the labels, I'm probably missing a label on them. Anyways, I'll just read them off my list. Oh, one of them added. So a lot of it's going to be around pipeline stuff. So header and footer, JS package size, try and bring that down. And then same thing with blog images. And then there's also an issue to create a pipeline job to detect 404s. We've had a lot of incoming requests from outside our digital experience team asking to fix broken links. So I've been looking into it, and it looks like we can create a job that'll fail if a link is broken. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be working on. Javi, you're up next.
Thank you, Nathan. Up in my iteration board, I have the two lightning strike pages that are going to help shepherd that along and just do whatever it needs to get done. I have some data layer events to the SaaS trial flow that's been stale for a while, so I'm going to unstale it, push it off. I have a point set for updating the CTA link for the docs header, which is just changing the URL to have the right, looks like your own parameters. And then I have a follow-up from some work last iteration that Matteo worked on the side dev, and that's it for me. Up next is Matteo.
Actually, one thing real quick, Javi, can you, I know we're kind of waiting on content for the events pages. Could you like update like the weight associated so it doesn't look like you have, 17 points? Because I think that some of them are mostly content updates.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, I will wait according to my engineering work, and then I'll let them focus on that. So yeah, thank you.
Okay, for this iteration, I have component creation for an A/B test that we will do on the homepage. And then I have a bunch of smaller issues, remove one trust events and have the new solutions page feed from the new synced features file and replace an image on a topics page. And that's what I have so far. Next one is Margaret.
Yep, so for the sprint, I'm going to be focusing on team ops page, any further feedback and the content that is missing that we need to have to that. And other than that, I think the release post, we also winning some feedback, so I'm just going to send that on that. Mostly we're going to be working on the features landing page feedback, the issue that Tina created for some bugs that we have in the page, and cookie banner for the homepage. That's going to be my iteration. And I think that's it.